Hey you guys, it's Lynnea, and it's time to unbox the May Scrapping for Less Flavor of the Month card kit. This month's theme is Myths and Legends, so let's get started with collection number 1. There are sequins by Scrapping for Less, this amazing Loch Ness Monster stamp by Kindred Stamps, and I'm so excited Kindred Stamps is in this month's box. I love their products, and I'm super excited about that. There's some ephemera by Scrapping for Less. And these are super cute and they're large, so they could be the center point of your card, which is super awesome. These craft tags by Derice, which actually pair really well with the ephemeras because you could definitely put them right onto the tag and just stamp a sentiment and you'd be good to go with a quick tag. These papers are called water patterns by Scrapping for Less. And seriously, every single month, the papers get better and better by Scrapping for Less. I love these designs. I love the colors. And it really looks like you've watercolored through a stencil almost. They're super awesome. And I really love the colors. So that is everything in collection 1. And next we're going to be moving on to collection number 2. And collection 2 is called Pretty Little Rainbows. So let's start with this Prancing Pegasus stamp, and this is exclusive by Sunny Studio Stamps. So you're not going to be able to get this stamp set anywhere else other than this month's kit. There is some ribbon by Derice, and it's a pretty pastel purple, yellow, and pink. And these just happen to be my 3 favorite colors all in one ribbon, so that's pretty awesome. There are some sequins by Scrapping for Less, and these sequins match perfectly with the ribbon and the papers. These rainbow alphabet stickers by Derice, and these are like holographic rainbow. You can see me kind of moving them around in my desk lighting, and they're super awesome. So let's look at the Pretty Little Rainbows papers by Scrapping for Less. And you guys, these are also awesome papers. They have this watercolor feel to them. Like, look at these dots. I love them. I'm definitely going to buy extra packs of this paper collection because I love them so much. I love this one here too, that watercolor rainbow-ish stripes background. And this print just says rainbow is my fave color is rainbow, which is totally true. I love rainbows. So that is everything you're going to get in collection 2. Next up is collection 3, Fairies Garden. The stamp set is Fairies Stamp by Avery L. And again, this is another exclusive one. And those fairies are so cute, and you're only going to be able to get it in this kit. So it's totally worth it to subscribe so that you don't miss out on these kits. The twine is by Derice. It's that pink and white baker's twine. Sequins by Scrapping for Less, and again, it's a nice mix of colors and sizes and shapes and all that good stuff. Flowers by Derice. These are like those fabric flowers, and you could layer them up and maybe put a brad through the middle, and you'd have a nice little embellishment there. The papers are called Fairies Garden, and they are by Scrapping for Less. And I love how there are elements that repeat themselves through the papers, like that pink flower. It's a similar flower going throughout this collection of papers, so they're going to pair really well together, and the colors go nicely together. It's a really pretty paper pack, and the colors are gorgeous. I love that pink and the blue, and of course stripes. Stripes are my favorite. So that is collection 3. The last collection is called Know Me Home, and the stamp is the gnome stamp exclusive from Scrapping Bella. So once again, you're getting a bunch of stuff in this kit that you're only going to be able to get in this kit. You're not going to be able to buy it elsewhere. This is Moss by Derice. It's super fun. I've never had an embellishment like that in a kit. It's moss. It looks like grass. There's a lot of things in my head that I could do with that. You're going to get some wooden keys by Derice. The sequins are by Scrapping for Less. And the papers are by Scrapping for Less as well. They are called Know Me Home papers. And these are really unique papers too. This one you could cut apart and make that the focal image of your card. This one is my favorite. Look at that. It's like a little gnome garden scene almost. And that scene it's perfect to cut down to the size of a card front. And you have your background right there. You don't really need to do anything because that paper is so awesome. So I'm going to finish up showing you the papers here, and then we're going to move on to the envelopes and cardstock. So of course you're going to get 4 envelopes like you always do. The cardstocks are by Gina K Designs and Pop Tone. So let's start with the Gina K Designs. You're going to get Bubblegum Pink, Wisteria, Sweet Corn, and Powder Blue. And those are from Gina K. From Pop Tone, Sour Apple, and Wild Cherry. And then there are 2 sheets of Neenah 110-pound Classic Crest Smooth Solar White. So you're going to get in the double dip subscription all 4 collections plus those envelopes and cardstocks. But if you subscribe to the banana split, it's just a little bit extra and it's so worth it because you get an extra pack of goodies. So you're going to get some fine glitter by Derice, this little gnomes die by Derice, the embossing folder by Derice, and then you're going to get a full-sized 4x6 sentiment stamp by Scrapping for Less. And that book is super awesome. I mean, you could stamp a sentiment right across the book, or you could maybe even stamp, like have the gnome on the book. I don't know. There's lots of ideas that you could do. It's super cute and so worth it for the banana split kit. So that is everything you're going to get in the Myths and Legends May 2019 kit from Scrapping for Less. I will link below to my 5 cards 1 kit video, and I will see you over there. Bye!